guys. Oh, there's chickens! You bugs. Hi, chickens. So, we go see the alpacas.
I wish they were llamas. And I could say, I'm a llama again!
We're going to see them, and we went to see them yesterday.
That was scary.
And they spit.
At you. Hold this. It's heavy.
So we're just getting their food. And then we will feed them. And then we will run away from them. Because they start to
do.
spit.
Doesn't it smell?
There was like 7 yesterday. Are you okay?
No.
Did it just drop on you?
Yeah. Ow.
And it's very muddy where we're going.
Why did you say I was hoping it wouldn't be as muddy?
I don't know. What's this?
Come on.
There's a bridge we have to cross. Oh, look, you can see them running. They get really excited.
So excited.
Oh, oh. There's so much land. Oh, God.
It's worse.
Wearing white sneakers. Oh my gosh. Hey guys. Oh, don't eat my camera, please. Hey dude.
Hello. Hey guys. Joey, hey. You good?
They're so ready. Oh, look at the little one at the back. Oh, this is the one with blue eyes from yesterday. He thinks I got food. I tried to pet you yesterday and you didn't like it. I don't think...
Ebs
What?
wants your attention.
But they don't like being patted.
This one's good, look.
That's because it's occupied.
Give it a go. It's so woody. Wait till its head's back down. There you go.
They just know. Oh my god. It's right next to you.
G'day, mate. Would you like some of that? No, no, we're just sharing up. Just share. There you go. That's that. There's some down there. Look.
Carl.
I think they were they llamas or they were llamas.
Oh. Why do they look? What did it do?
It moved its head. It doesn't like cats.
Oh, yeah, they don't all like pets.
You do.
Alright, I'll check in with you guys soon. Oh, let's turn that down. Hey guys, it's me. I just wanted to let you know what the dealio is of this vlog. Pretty much. So basically, me and Dallas went on a road trip 3 hours away from where we are. Oh my god, guys, I miss you now also. Love it. We went on a road trip 3 hours away. And stayed somewhere Saturday, Sunday, and Monday? Yes, today's Monday. And I was going to vlog us doing stuff this weekend. But I ended up getting really sick yesterday. So basically we drove here on Saturday. Oh, he's cleaning the car. So basically we drove here on Saturday and then got here like in the afternoon, so then we just chilled, just like went out for lunch and got Thai food, and then like I had like a really bad headache the whole day, and then when I went to bed my stomach was really sore. But like that happens sometimes because I think I have an intolerance to something. I went and got checked if I had a gluten intolerance like earlier in the year, but it came back all fine, but I still get like really bad indigestion and like really bloated, and that's how I felt at the start, but then it turned into nausea. Then I spent most of Saturday vomiting. And then I started to feel a little bit better in the afternoon, like not in the afternoon, I was still really sick in the afternoon, in the evening, but like my stomach still felt really weak, and my headaches are still sucky, and I still haven't eaten a proper meal since Saturday night, and it is Monday, and it is 10 o'clock in the morning. But I had pretzels and grapes last night, so that sucked. I was so sick, you guys. Like most of my days spent with my face in a bucket. Love it. But we're just gonna catch up on things today and go see stuff around. We're going to see you guys saw we went to see the alpacas, which we actually did see yesterday before I got really sick, because like we went to see them before I went out for lunch. I tried to drink a smoothie and like nothing else, and then I pretty much brought the smoothie up straight away. Sorry for too much information, but that's what happened. So yeah, we're going to see a lighthouse, and then we're going to like see the 12 apostles, I think. Yeah, they're not closed. We'll try and look up stuff up, and like some stuff was closed so I couldn't remember. And then we're going to eat breakfast, which is going to be like my first meal. So yeah, I'm so sad that I got sick, because the cottage we stayed in was so beautiful. It was just so peaceful. Like you guys saw some of it, and it was just like the land was huge and it was great, but I had to spend like most of the day in bed yesterday, which fucking sucks. But that's okay, because we're making it up today, and then we're also driving home, and then I have to go to the doctor's and get a clearance so I can go back to work tomorrow. So life's great. Anyway, I'll catch up with you guys real soon. Bye. Seaweed.
Yeah, big seaweed.
Oh my god, there's so much seaweed. Oh, and there's more. It looks like pasta. This place is a bit smelly, but it is awfully pretty. And we're just walking down. Oh, look how pretty it is. We're just walking down to find a lighthouse. And then we're stopping to read things on the way. Look at all the scenery. Look at it all. Do you hear the ocean?
Yeah, I see it.
That way. And we have, how long have we been walking?
20 minutes.
Now we're going to see the lighthouse. We can almost see it. It's right down that way.
Cool.
Unfortunately, it's not the lighthouse from Around the Twist.
We're not in Angus.
We're
Torquay. Is it Torquay or Angus?
One of them. We're in Port Fairy.
Yes.
And it's no longer a functioning lighthouse.
Nope.
Do you know what the lighthouse is called?
Yeah. Port Fairy Lighthouse.
It's just a Port Fairy lighthouse.
It's a goddamn Port Fairy Lighthouse.
Near a walking area. So we're gonna continue to walk to it, and then we will check in soon. Bye. There it is, right over there. Can you even hear with all the waves? Look how strong it is. Holy hell. We'll get closer and closer and right up close to it. Those waves are crazy. Can't really see on camera, but they're pretty insane. We get it on almost every night. Here it is. That's the lighthouse. We're almost at it. So close to it. Ooh. Let's kill.
I mean, impossible. How about them apples? I mean, impossible.
You like the look at? I think back there. You guys, I look like crap. Is it really one of my videos if I don't look like crap at least once? I'm just ending the video. So we drove back. It's currently nighttime. I have showered and everything. I need to take my makeup off properly though, because I just wasn't focused on that. I just wanted to wash my hair because it felt disgusting. But yeah, today was like really cool but kind of long because we had like a 3-hour drive home. And yeah, but I started to feel like sick again in the car. I was okay though. Oh, there's mess behind me. I was okay. I just got a headache again, and then started to feel a bit nauseous, but nothing came from it. I've eaten dinner now. I've finally had a full meal. And I'm okay. I feel alright. I'm just staying off like heavy foods. I've been like, oh my god, what's happening with my hair? I haven't had like dairy or anything because I feel like that would not be great. But I've had like actually I've had dairy. I've had muffins. Anyway, thank you if you took the time to watch this. My camera's flashing and telling me it's gonna die. I don't really know where the charger is. But I'm gonna go and then I'll start editing this, and peace out. Thank you so much, all 16 viewers. I love you all. Goodbye.